Hello, everyone. This is Michael, and I wanted to address the comments I get about narrating the videos and about the music and the way I envision these videos. I've been getting a lot of comments about narrating the bridge videos, but I'm not a bridge engineer, and I really don't know anything about bridges. I mean, I know some things about what I've learned while filming the bridge, but I know mostly about the drones and the drone regulations. And if I narrate, it would be fake and pretentious. And I really don't want to do that to you guys and come across as someone like that knows it all when I don't. So, also, that leaves me less time to go out and film the bridge if I'm spending more time editing and narrating. By the way, this is some of the security down at the bridge. This is actually parked on Green Street. Yeah, sorry about that. It's one of the lovely security guards, which I know quite a bit about because I've had to deal with them. So I know more about the security guards harass me there than I know about how to build a bridge. So yeah, I've been getting some comments about the music, and I know some of you don't like it, and some of you actually say it's very annoying and you'd prefer me to narrate instead of the music. I really don't know what to say to you guys. The only thing I could say is to mute the video if you want to watch it, or turn down the volume. But it's not something that I envision to narrate. And like I said, I would just be reading from a website, and that that's fake. So here's there's the bridge there. This is the City Shield Security Services trying to tell me that I can't fly there. And they're obviously upset that I'm filming them, but they were filming me, which is okay somehow. There we have the bridge there in the background going towards the port of entry. And there it is, the exciting security guard. And just a couple minutes, their supervisor's going to show up. But so I hope you enjoy the videos. Like I say, I don't want to spend a lot of time narrating. And here we have the security guard policing my drone for some reason. And she's a little out of her jurisdiction there, as I can say, but it's a green street there again, right by the bridge. Yeah, sorry you had to see that. That's just not right. I should have blurred that out, but then I'm spending more time editing and less time at the bridge making videos. So this is some video I had that I haven't released yet, but figured I'd show it to you guys. And there you can see there's the supervisor. Is there to, I don't know, watch my drone and film my drone. I mean, they do a good job of filming my drone, I will say that. So I do know the bridge, it's scheduled to open later in the fall of this year, and they're making, I'd say the progress is sped up quite a bit. in the last 6 months that I've noticed. But yeah, there's not a whole lot to say. I mean, I can tell you about the drone. I use a DJI Mini 4 Pro right now, and there's the security taking video of my drone. But they do a good job of that. And he's taking pictures of me now. Back to my drone, which is fine. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video of the fine security guard team there. And we'll be continuing making the videos and documenting the progress and the construction. And thank you for watching.